you doing there, YouTube? Just want to welcome you all back. This is my review on an Ashley Chime 10-inch memory foam mattress. I've been in the market looking for a new bed to replace my old Bob-O-Pedic, and I didn't really want to spend $1,100 again on a mattress when I may be transitioning to a new home and be wanting to possibly upgrade to a king bed in the future. So I decided to scour the internet and see what I could come up with, and this is what I found. So a couple of the mattresses that I was interested in, and one of them was the Zenith mattress, and that was supposed to be pretty good, but there was some reviews that some of the fibers were making people sick with the smell, and supposedly there's some fiberglass in it. So I tend to stay away from that because I get bronchitis every once in a while. And the other mattress I was looking at was the cool gel one, but it said that it was kind of firm. Not firm enough, it was too plush actually. So I did a little searching, and I started checking out some of the popular mattresses with the best reviews on Amazon, and I ended up settling on the Ashley Chime 10-inch. It had almost 5-star reviews on pretty much every single site, even some of the store sites that carry that brand. I gotta say, one thing you can't do is put a price on a good night's sleep, because it can turn a really good day like this into a really lousy day just like this. So make sure you get that sleep and don't settle for something that you're not comfortable on, that's for sure. So we're gonna start the review, and I was gonna do an unboxing for you, which I did, and I recorded it, but I got a Canon M50 and the battery died, and I lost the footage, which I guess that's a known issue with that camera. So let's get into it. How you doing there, YouTube? I know it's been a little bit since I've put out a video. Been kind of busy. I'm working on a couple of things at home, taking some classes at night. I got a couple things up my sleeve for my little photography business that I started. So I've been pretty busy getting things going, working off the ground. But I'm here with you today for a product review. I've been on the market for a new mattress for about the last 6 months. I've been listening to snarky comments from my girlfriend, and it's evident my back can no longer take the bed we have. So it's time for a new one. I decided to look online. I checked out Amazon for a bunch of items they had, different products. They had a cool gel mattress. There was like a Zenith mattress. There was a Nectar mattress. A bunch of different ones that kind of, I don't know. I'm not a big fan of taking a look at a mattress or trying out a mattress unless I get a chance to try it out and sit on it and lay on it. So I decided to go to a store. The store was called Ashley Furniture. There was a product online that they carried. It was a Chime mattress. It's like a 10-inch. It's one of those bed in the boxes like the rest of them. So I figured I'd give it a shot and try it out. So it just so happened to be on sale today. Like I got the mattress for $259. I picked it up. It was in a box. Comes with a 10-year warranty. So here's the mattress right now. Comes in a long box just like this. The box is a little beat up, but I think it's shrink wrapped inside. So I think it's still in good shape. I didn't see any rips or tears inside. But we're going to get into the unboxing on this, and we're going to move it into the bedroom. I'm actually coming from an older Bob-O-Pedic mattress, which I've had for 13 years. This is the one right here on the wall. It's got about a 4-inch dip in the middle of it. So I wasn't able to videotape the unboxing because partway through the video of me unboxing it and unrolling it, if you look in the corner of the screen, you can see how it unrolls. There's a little image I put up there for you. My camera battery ended up dying, so I wasn't able to catch the footage, and I ended up losing it. I'll show you guys whether or not it adjusted to full size. They're supposed to rise like a loaf of bread, I guess, when you take them out of the vacuum sealing. So some people had complaints about the other mattresses not rising. I didn't see any complaints about the Chime brand, which was from Ashley Furniture. So they had almost 5-star reviews. There was about 700 or 800 reviews on this mattress, so I figured I'd give it a shot. So stay tuned. My germophobic waterproof breathable bamboo mattress protector. This is what I bought to cover my new bed. I bought it from Amazon. I think I paid like 25 bucks for this. Or 20. It's a queen size. It'll fit up to an 18-inch deep pocket. Protects against dust mites, bacterials, fluids, and liquids. So here it is from Utopia. So we're going to get into unpackaging this, putting it on my bed as I'm setting it up for that mattress review. And give it a shot. Let's get some good marketing. Got a couple of happy people on there, so maybe they're getting a good night's sleep. Maybe the husband's getting some action. As you can tell, they have a kid. So they look very happy. Happy wife, happy life. Let's get into unboxing.
Just want to let you guys all know I'm going to post all the product links in the description, so if you guys are interested in
I should say
checking these products out, giving them a shot yourself. Alright.
So I'm going to put this on my new mattress that I just got. I got this mattress from Ashley. It's a Chime 10-inch. If you're in the market for mattresses, you're online. There is actually the green tea, one of the green tea mattress from Zenith. I think comes exactly with this cover already on the mattress. Kind of strange. But I guess maybe they're a vendor of the company. They have a business arrangement or agreement with each other to use the covers. All I care is that it does what it's intended to do. So we're going to give that cover a couple months, and then we're going to come back and review it, let you know how it's holding up after I throw it through a couple of wash cycles. It says here, supposed to be able to wash it. Yep. Mild warm water. Okay, now we're going to get into putting the mattress cover on my pillow top. I also bought this pillow top mattress cover that I'm going to use on top of the hypoallergenic waterproof cover. So I don't really have the name for it because it's really not on the packaging. It came in a big box. So I know it's 300 count, down alternative quilted mattress topper. Pillow top fitted for a queen. Made for a king, fitted for a queen. Here we go. I think I'm gonna have a good night's sleep tonight, huh? What do you think? Alright, well, this thing feels nice and dreamy. I'll be honest with you, it is a little different than what they show in the picture. The one online had, actually, no, okay, this is it. I was a little confused. You can tell the way by the quilting. You see how the quilting goes? It has these squares. The one that I was looking at has like a border around it, and this actually does, but it's just folded. Some people wash their bedding before they put it on the bed. I'm going to take this off and wash it, but right now I'm just setting the bed up. I just want to give it a shot and try it out. tonight is going to be a good night. Can feel my spine getting realigned. It's been about 6 or 8 months sleeping on that horrible bed. I got my 13 years out of it, so can't complain. We're gonna come back in 7 days. I'm gonna give you guys a heads up, let you know how my night's sleep been. Stay tuned. Thank you.
Just want to say thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please click like. If you like my channel, please subscribe. And I'll see you guys in 7 days for the 7-day review.